managers tell great
Teachers.
not great, mediocre managers describe, and the great managers inspire. So a teacher is equivalent to me, is a manager is equivalent to a manager, or teacher. So if you can inspire these people, and you start from, जैसे बीबी ने कहा कि वो यहाँ से शुरू होते, आप ठीक हो जाएं, फिर ये खुद ही ठीक हो जाएंगे, फिर वो खुद ही ठीक हो जाएंगे, but by putting the ball in his court, you're not fixing it. And I understand it will be hard. So Susanna, maybe you have an answer. He's saying, how do we inspire people?
I have a question.
Responsibility for the job.
May I ask you a question? What would you want to have that you feel that this company is yours? What would you want to have in exchange that you feel that this company is yours? Think about it.
It's an excellent question. So anybody has an answer?
Let them think and answer. You can do it anonymously. Monique can collect it, because I think we shouldn't spoon feed you. You know very well what you want, so tell us what you want. And then once you have it, then you'll be inspired because you put out your solution of what's the way you feel. That's it. Very easy.
Good one. Anything else on the plate? Sir? Masood Akbar will give training tomorrow of how to do time management. Some of the people had hair issues ke liye hum late aate. So we have a suggestion, anonymous suggestion, that we should take away the 15 minutes extra we give from the people. जो 15 minutes late आते हैं, अगर time मिलता है, वो भी निकाल दें. And people should come on time. Full stop. So I would like feedback on it. Yes.
What if you are just honest and you spend your time, whatever you feel that this company is yours, you spend it here. So if you are 15 minutes late, then you stay 15 minutes longer. But you know, if you are 15 minutes late, you will miss some of the times which will take you a lot longer to fulfill if you are not here on that first 15 minutes. So you must evaluate that. So if the consequences are worth it for you to be 15 minutes late, then be 15 minutes late and be prepared to stay an extra hour because of that 15 minutes being late. Self-responsibility. It's all you have to describe that and evaluate it. Is it worth it for you to be 15 minutes late and take the consequences, or you rethink it?
It's a very good point.
Oh, agreed. 15 minutes late, 1 hour more.
Good idea. Any other suggestions? Any other thoughts? Suzanne? Anything you want to add?
I think that's pretty much enough. I think this is at the core, because I fear that they don't feel part of the company because they are not getting what they want. So they have to define what they want. So you have to define that. Just as well as we were talking about defining it, the increments, what do you want in exchange? Not particularly money, whatever, what is your goal in exchange, what you want to reach. So we will help to meet that by the work that you put in. So I believe it should be personalized. So each and every one of you should define that. And the ownership will come naturally after that. Because that's appreciation, that's acknowledgement. And you set your own goals when you do that.
Zulbash, you want to say something? Mani, you want to say something? Shahid, you want to say something? Dangerous. तुम लोग को बुरा लग जाए, मुझे डर लगता है. So I want to introduce the new people here. We will go for namaz and then upstairs, and then we'll come back and start the one meetup. The new people are Rehan and Shahid Malik Who else? شاید ملک کھڑے ہو. آپ کون ہیں؟
میں پروڈکٹ مینیجر ہوں آئی ٹی ٹی وی ایکس اور سپر ڈیش فورڈ.
آپ کون ہیں؟ کیا بناتے ہیں؟ ہمارے لیے کیا کرتے ہیں؟ بچے بنائے. کب سے کام کر رہے ہیں؟
2 ہفتے.
2 ہفتے سے کام کر رہے ہیں. اور میں ایک اور جی میں آپ کیا کر رہے ہیں؟
سر میں سوشل میڈیا ٹرینر اور اسسٹنٹ جنرل مینیجر جنرل سیکرٹری.
وہ ذکی شیخ کو دے دیتا ڈاکٹر.
ہاں وہ آج ان کے ساتھ بھی یہی ہے. جب وہ جو ڈنڈی مارتی پھر میں یہاں پہ کھیل دیتا ہوں پھر ٹریننگ کا کام کراتا ہوں.
اور کون ہے ذہن تھا نا؟
زین
چلا
صدیقی.
گیا
چلیے
ابھی میٹنگ سے چلے گی. اور وہ دوسرا ایک اور تھا
ان کے ساتھ ہی
وہ چلے.
تو 2 لڑکے اور ہیں. ایک یہاں ٹریول کے اوپر ہے اور دوسرا وہ بھی سی
سے. اور ایک اور لڑکا کنسٹرکشن والا نہیں ہے اعجاز.
اس کے علاوہ آپ نہیں ہیں. سلمہ آغا ہیں. سلمہ آغا کیا کام کر رہی ہیں؟
I'm Salma Aman, working as a manager in school management system.
صحیح ہے. اور کون ہے؟ فرح. فرح is probably Farah is taking care of Rehan events. اور کون ہے نیا؟
اور انور تھا. انور ایبسنٹ ہے ابھی آج.
انور ہے. انور سیرین ہیں جو پاکستان میں رہتے ہیں اور وہ اسسٹ کر رہے ہیں رستم کو آن luxurypass.com in Dubai. یہاں سے بیٹھے ہیں. ہاں. Hi Buzain, how are you? Good. So thank you for this great meeting and hope the silence was not a bad thing. I thank you Susanna for the great suggestion. I think it was brilliant. I hope you guys will be a little inspired and that will grow. And موٹر سائیکل پہ جلدی چلاؤ گی تو. اینڈ اوپر نماز کا ٹائم ہو رہا ہے. نماز پڑھ کے پھر ہم لوگوں نے ایم سی میٹنگ اسٹارٹ کی. تھینک یو سو مچ.
If you want a meeting with me on that, just me and
یہیں پہ
everyone
کریں کنٹینیو.
define the